Know that healthcare workers will be among the first to get the vaccine when it's available, and we're all hoping its distribution can help us regain some control during this pandemic. The 2-week average for new cases daily in our country is now over 204,000. Florida has been a big contributor to these national numbers, and now the White House task force is recommending stricter measures for our state. Whether or not Governor DeSantis will take that action, we'll have to wait and see. So tracking total cases in our area, the First Coast is nearing 100,000 cases, currently at just over 97,000 this morning. Duval accounting for more than 50,000 of those cases. Clay and St. John's together contributing nearly 20,000 cases. Make sure you stay with First Coast News as we track these numbers, and we will be awaiting that arrival of the vaccine to Duval later this morning.